Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be kind of a different video. I'm going to show you my thought process behind my Planner Kate July kit purchase. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go into the new releases tab because new releases come out every month for 2 months in the future. So in May, July kits were released. And so the first thing that I'm searching for is my monthly kit. And I knew that I wanted to use kit 148, which is the super patriotic one. And I am putting sheets F and G into my carts, which is the EC monthly sheet 1 and sheet 2. And so I also know that I wanted to use kit 148 as a weekly kit as well for the first week of July. July starts on a Monday, which is lovely for us planner freaks. I just love when months start on Mondays. Then I don't have to find a kit that goes from one month into another month using 2 colors in my planner. So I am putting the full and half box sheet plus the hourly personal sampler into my cart. So now I have 3 more weeks to purchase for in the month of July. My birthday is 1 week and my anniversary is another week. And I also have another week that's kind of random. I think we're going to be traveling for one of those weeks as well. So I looked at this tropical fruit kit, but it was kind of not my favorite. I didn't really like how it was just too many colors. So I decided not to get the tropical fruit one. And then I also looked at the flamingos kit, but that was just like purple, and I didn't think that screamed super summer to me. So I just kind of scrolled down. I also really like the mini kit 154, which is burgundy blush. But that also screamed fall to me, so I might buy that in the fall if I have any weeks open. I mean, I love the kit, it just doesn't say July to me. So, I think I do end up seeing, oh yeah, Lily Floral, which is mini kit 155. And I just thought that was really pretty. I mean, there's a lot of colors, but it's very Lily Pulitzer vibed. So I decided to get the sampler sheet and then the full box, half box sheet. So that is kit number 2, or for week number 2. And then I didn't see anything else that I was like super obsessed with. Everything else just kind of was like, other random releases or the PK Doodles. So I decided to go to the mini kits. And I figured that I could find something that went along with July's navy colors in the mini kits from, something that was released last year or something that was released in a month prior. So I'm just currently scrolling along, seeing what I really like. And this July flowers really caught my eye. And I really love the red, and I think it's navy, but the reds and the pinks and the peaches with the navy. And so I decided to get the sampler and the full box header sheet. And so I'm still scrolling here, just kind of seeing what else. Oh, and this is where I went to check to make sure that I didn't already have the number of kits I needed. I still did need one more. So I'm just scrolling down here, looking at all the kits available. And I don't, nothing screams to me yet. So I'm just essentially just looking. And I know I want something that has navy in it and Could work for my birthday or could work for our anniversary. And I just, everything is Christmas, fall. And then I was like, wait a second, I think she's got a birthday kit. I missed that going down. And so I see mini kit 115, which is birthday girl. And that is the perfect kit because it's got some pink and it's also got navy, which will match with the July colors. So I get sheet A, which is the sampler, and then sheet C, which is the full and half boxes. And that is how I decided on my July kits from Planner Kate. Now I go into my favorite items. I do go mark items that I think I want to own eventually, just to see if there's anything that, if I want to add a couple things to order, I can. I didn't see anything that I was needed to have this time. I think I'm going to end up getting something that says some sort of daycare or something like that. So, and then I also decided to check out the sale section. I forgot about this. And I do like the idea of getting add-ons and just kind of increasing my add-ons section in my Planner Kate notebook, but I didn't find anything that I really needed to have. Again, there's a lot of things that are specific to a holiday, and I really don't need more stickers right now. So I'm just scrolling down, seeing what else is available. And then I decided to check out. And so I use code JulieG20 for 20% off of my order. And I'm ready to check out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button.